First at 11, tech-savvy criminals are looking to rip off people who have no idea it's even happening until it's too late. The concerns are centered around a skimming device that was found attached to a drive-through ATM in Berkley. Good evening, and thank you for joining us. I'm Mike Duffy. Police say similar devices were also found in Novi and Lansing, and an investigation is now underway. 7 News Detroit reporter Brett Cast explains how the devices work and what you need to know to protect yourself.
Well, these skimmers are hard to spot, especially at night, but police are urging people to use caution when using the ATM. A Sunday alert from a security company monitoring ATMs at Michigan State University Federal Credit Union in Berkley sent police searching and ultimately finding something unexpected.
They're pretty common in Metro Detroit. In Berkeley, we don't see a lot of skimming devices.
Lieutenant Andrew Hadfield says these photos show the tampered card slot of the ATM and the skimming device that was found inside. Even the gray bar shown at the top of the ATM is actually a hidden camera put there to capture customers typing in their PIN number.
It's a coordinated effort, one between actually grabbing the card number off the skimmer, and the other part is watching the user enter their PIN number. So in this case, they set up a camera and the skimmer so they could obtain both to get access to your bank account.
Hadfield says similar devices were also found recently at an MSU FCU ATM in Novi and 2 in Lansing, and they're believed to be connected. Customers of the bank were unaware until now.
When you see that just a simple transaction of an ATM where things can get stolen, that's terrifying as a customer and just anyone in general when it comes to your money.
Bridget Paulin had heard of skimmers being used at gas pumps, but not at the ATM close to her home.
That's where I heard of it happening, not at banks, so that's scary.
Lieutenant Hadfield says customers should pay close attention at ATMs and always cover the keypad when typing in your PIN, and if possible, go inside the bank to withdraw cash in person.
I mean, they're very sophisticated. If you weren't paying attention, you may not recognize that anything was out of place.
Hadfield says the devices were placed at night and were found shortly after. They're now working with the credit union to identify potential victims and the suspects.
We're not aware of any victims that have been reported. We believe the device was only on there for a very brief period before it was located. So obviously, if anyone is a victim, to notify us right away so we can try to get that stopped.
And of course, if you have visited the ATM here between Saturday night and Sunday morning, make sure to check your bank account to ensure that you yourself are not a victim. And of course, if you know anything, contact Berkley Police. In Berkley, I'm Brett Cast, 7 News, Detroit.